So guys, this year is running to an end, and as a graphic designer, I would like to say a big shout out to all the tools that have helped my graphic design journey this year. So watch out. So guys, the first tool here is remove.bg. This tool right here, it's very powerful. The second one is Freepik. Most of you know about this tool, but it's really awesome. It has helped me in many ways. Now the third tool is Flaticon. This tool has unlimited icons that you can use anytime. Very powerful. Now the fourth one is of course Canva. We all know Canva. Canva is really powerful. It's a very great tool. So guys, this now brings me to the Oga Patapata of all of them, the almighty tool. Now there is no other tool than Photoshop, guys. Photoshop is really goated forever. This tool have been there for me since this year till now, and I know it's going to be there forever. So this tool is really powerful. Photoshop is really powerful. So guys, that's the 5 major tools that have really helped me in this year. So I would like to know which tool that have helped you as a graphic designer. So feel free to drop the tool in the comment section. And guys, if you really want to know how to use any of these tools, just watch out for more videos and you will get to know how each of these tools function. Thank you guys. Peace out.